PayPal has started a business referral program, so with this you can earn as high as $100 through this referral program. So let's see how. The first step is to get your unique referral link. If you don't have a business referral account or a business PayPal account, you can get the link from the description and then go to this particular page. This link is also available in the description, and then click the refer now to get your unique referral link. And now you'll have to share this referral link on social media or email to your friends and relatives. And once you have referred someone, a friend, for this referral program, he or she must make a international payment of at least $100 within the 45 days of signing up. Only then you will be granted a $10 voucher. And of course, both you and your friend whom you are referring will get a $10 voucher. To note, the maximum amount that you can earn from this PayPal referral program is $100, and with each coupon, which is valid only for 90 days after it is activated, you can claim it while making a purchase of a product or service with PayPal. So that's it.